Do you want to learn how to cook a beef burger? There is nothing easier. I am sure that you will like it much more purchased. Prepare the necessary products. Wash the vegetables and herbs, peel the onions. Minced beef with a small percentage of fat, salt and pepper to taste. Form round cutlets from it, slightly larger in diameter than the diameter of the bun, 1.5 centimeters thick. Fry the cutlets in preheated oil until golden brown on one side for 4 to 5 minutes. Turn the cutlets over, continue cooking for 4 minutes. The cutlets should be well fried, but remain juicy. Put a slice of cheese on top of the cutlets, let it melt, remove from heat. Cut the burger buns into 2 halves, dry in a dry hot frying pan for 3 minutes over low heat. Now let's start assembling the hamburger. Brush the bottom of the bun with tomato sauce. Put a lettuce leaf on top, a cutlet with cheese. Then a slice of tomato, onion rings. Smear the slice of the second half of the bun with mayonnaise, cover the burger. Serve to the table immediately. Enjoy your meal.